you got a flat battery or you just jump start the car, I mean the Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, what will happen? After you start the car, you can see this light. This is this rear camera detection unavailable. So what is rear camera detection unavailable? It's when you put reverse. When you're reversing, it come out this one. There's no more guideline. Alright, this is the issue. So how are we going to fix it?
You need to press and hold the audio button. On and off the lights 3 times. Press and hold the audio buttons and on off the lights 3 times together. Here we are, the hidden settings screen. Alright, go to the second one, function. And then this one, camera. Then this one, steering angle settings. Okay, press and hold. Can camera shift all on? Then next. Steering center memorize. Press it. Okay. Make sure your steering is center, yeah. Then okay. Then max steering angle memorize. Maximum to the left. Then now it's left. Press again, then turn right. Max right. Then press and hold. Alright. So it should be done. Now we off the engine and start again.
Okay, let's try it. I think should be no problem. No more lights. I guess should be okay. Reverse. There you are. Okay. All the lines are here. Settle. Okay, so for more information about the LC300, maybe you can check my video here. Thank you.